What up, Judy Rex? This is what we get to come out and find all types of different stuff out here. Anything from dinosaur bone, petrified wood. We've been finding red and yellow agate. And we're running low on sunlight, so we're only going to be out here for maybe 30 more minutes or so. Oh man, it's so cool out here. Well then, it does not want to break. But on these little clay outcroppings down here, sometimes you find these nice little round ones, kind of like this thing right here. And sometimes they will have crystal inside of them. Like this one might potentially have it. Let's see. And big negative on that one. They're not all of them. Maybe 1 in 50 rounded looking rocks will have a crystal in it. But it's so pretty out here. So much cool stuff. Life is everywhere. Water is everywhere. Actually, in fact, just over that hill is the Colorado River. So, and this is the Cisco boat ramp area that we're in. Believe it or not, the river used to run up here like hundreds of thousands, maybe 1 million years ago. But okay, talk to you in a little while.